and dropping the payload in 3, 2, 1. Did you see, guys? It actually dropped. Will I be able to land? I think I have to go around. Nice and low. Did you see that? That's me. That was Borders. Alright guys, we are back on the field. As you can see, the weather is beautiful. It's a very, very good day to fly. And I'm back on the field to fly this I-Lift airfoil wing project that you guys have seen in the last video. And I made a couple of changes to it. I added a washout to the wingtip, and that has increased the wingspan, but hopefully the washout will reduce the stall speed. It's about -1 degree washout. So hopefully that's going to reduce the stall speed and allow me to fly a little bit more slower and, you know, prevent what happened the last time. And I also changed the motor. I changed the motor, and this time around I'm using a fixed pitch propeller. Like I said, I believe the fixed pitch is a lot slightly better than the folding one. And I reinforced some components as well so as to create a rigid support. And everything is okay, everything is looking good. Let's go fly. Quick check on stabilization. Okay, good. All right. Still quick full throttle. I hope I don't slip. I almost slipped, guys. I almost slipped. Wow. It flies so much better now. It's so peaceful. Now I need to sort of reposition myself as I fly around. Okay. Look, I told you the weather was beautiful earlier, yeah? Okay. Look at that. Flies so good. Okay, I'm gonna come for a low pass, and then I'm gonna try to switch to manual mode and see how exactly it behaves. Wow. All right, switching to manual mode. Actually, it flies good in manual. But it needs some sort of trims. And I think it's nose heavy. Yeah, it's nose heavy. Okay, back to stabilize mode. That means where the CG is way off. I need to reposition. Guys, don't do this. We're walking and flying at the same time. I think if I stay here, I can line it up properly. I think I have to go around. I'm gliding. I'm aiming for this bush here. I nailed it. Woo. Guys, terrain is so bad that you always have to, you know, put it in the bush for safety. Look at this. Oh wow. Okay, so I'm gonna put this Coke this time. Where's the spot? I need to open it first. Okay, now it's grabbed properly. Guys, I didn't see launching without Coke was a bit sketchy. I just have to watch out for this tree, you know. Okay, I'm dropping the payload in 3, 2, 1. Did you see, guys? It actually dropped. Oh my days. I'm just gonna have more fun flying around. I could fly all day, you know. The interesting part is that it doesn't really consume that much power, you know. The last flight I had, I was drawing about 6 to 7 amps, if I'm correct, or even less, and I still had about maybe 75% of battery left after like 20 minutes flight. So I could probably fly all day. Woo. Passing overhead. So slow. That was what made me stall the last time, and I've been doing it quite often in this flight, but I haven't stalled yet. Should I do a stall test, guys? Let me climb. Okay, this is it. Throttle down, pitch up. He doesn't want to stall. He's just slowly coming down. Let's do it again. Throttle down, pitch up. It's just gliding. He doesn't want to stall. Unless probably because I'm in stabilized mode. I do not want to do that in manual mode because the aircraft is a bit nose heavy and I don't have any room to move the battery back. I would have to remove the payload drop mechanism to be able to move the battery slightly back. At this point, I'm already sort of gliding, trying to bring it nice and low, nice and low. Did you see that? That's me. That was borders. Even the kids are cheering up.
Couple of things that I learned in this project is that the Selig S1210L4 is really thin at the trailing edge section, which makes the aileron quite flimsy, so I ended up adding a layer of fiberglass to reinforce it. And also the fixed blade prop is way more efficient than a folding prop. And the major advantage for the folding prop is basically to save your prop during belly landing. But in my case, most of my landing is in the bush. Adding a washout to the tip of the airfoil really reduces the stall speed, especially when I make steep turns. So far so good in this flight, I haven't had any experience with a steep stall. For sure, this is quite a big improvement for this aircraft and I'm pretty happy with it. If you want to see how I built this airplane, make sure to check out the link in the video description. If you made it this far, don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't, and I'll see you in the next video.
Right, aircraft is in good shape. The sun is still out. I'm actually tired of flying, that's why I'm going. And I still have enough juice left in the battery, but I'm tired of standing in this hot weather. So thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.